Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out the all-new Huawei Mate 80 Pro, a beastly flagship that's making waves. Let's see if it's worth your attention, especially here in the US. The Mate 80 Pro looks stunning. Premium glass build, curved edges, and that bold circular camera design. The 6.9-inch OLED display hits up to 120 Hz with crazy brightness and razor-sharp detail. It's smooth, colorful, and feels ultra premium in hand. Powered by Huawei's latest Kirin 9100 chip and up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, this thing flies through apps, gaming, and multitasking. No overheating, no lag, just flagship-level performance. Battery life? Solid 5,000 milliamp hours with 100-watt fast charging and 80-watt wireless. Charges crazy fast. The triple Leica camera system is insane. 50-megapixel main, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and 48-megapixel periscope zoom. Low-light shots are sharp, colors pop, and the stabilization is buttery smooth. 4K video looks cinematic, though still missing full 8K support. It runs on HarmonyOS 5, clean and fast, but yeah, still no Google Play or US carrier support. You can sideload apps or use alternatives, but that's a deal breaker for most Americans. The Huawei Mate 80 Pro is a powerhouse. Gorgeous screen, elite cameras, and monster charging speeds. But for US users, the lack of Google and network support keeps it niche. If you're a tech enthusiast or love Huawei's ecosystem, it's worth it. For everyone else, maybe stick with Samsung or Apple. Hit like, subscribe, and drop the thoughts. Would you import the Mate 80 Pro? See you in the next one.